Can cats eat turkey? Yes, cats can eat turkey safely in small amounts as an occasional treat. Plain cooked turkey provides excellent animal protein that fits a carnivore diet. However, you should only feed your cat plain white turkey meat that is fully cooked and completely unseasoned. Never give your pet turkey skin, fat, or bones. Turkey skin and fat are high in calories and can trigger painful pancreatitis in felines. Cooked turkey bones splinter easily, which poses a severe choking hazard and can puncture your pet's digestive tract. You must also avoid turkey cooked with garlic, onions, butter, or heavy spices, as these ingredients are toxic to felines. Delicatessen turkey and prepackaged turkey slices are also unhealthy choices because they contain very high levels of sodium and artificial preservatives. If you want to share a bite of plain meat with your pet, keep the portion size small to avoid upsetting their stomach. Plain turkey should only be an extra treat, not a replacement for balanced commercial cat food. If your pet consumes seasoned meat, turkey bones, or shows signs of illness after eating, contact your veterinarian immediately for guidance. Sticking to plain, unseasoned meat ensures your feline enjoys a tasty treat without any dangerous health risks.